Today I'm teaching you guys how to actually get access to Robinhood Legend. Robinhood Legend is essentially the desktop version of trading or options investing or futures trading. And it's all kind of packaged in this really nice UI. It actually reminds me a little bit of Webull, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get access to it. And so the way that I actually found out about this is my friend messaged me and he showed me an email. So what I ended up doing was checking my email. On my email, I ended up getting this right over here. It basically is just from Robinhood telling me that this is their new trading platform and that I can use it, and it's packed with features for analyzing, strategizing, so on and so forth. So check your email, make sure it's the email that's actually attached onto your Robinhood account. Is this separate to Robinhood itself? No, it's actually attached to my Robinhood account. So I actually have history on this. And so it's basically the same thing, just a different layout and a different way to use it. And that's all it is. But you do need to apply to it. So once you get this little option right here, go ahead and press Explore Legend. All I did was click on this, and what it ended up leading me to was this page right here, where it says Enter Robinhood Legend. So this is the exact page. There's a bunch of terms and conditions that you essentially just have to review and say agree to. And after you hit agree, you'll then be greeted to your account right over here, assuming you already have a Robinhood account. And this is essentially, from what I'm seeing, a mixture between like a lot of Webull's options and a little bit of TradingView, but it's a very clean UI. As you can see here, there's a lot of options. There's also charting if you're interested in that sort of stuff. And there's a lot of customizability, which is what I actually like. So if you press add widget, you can literally move anything you want. Like, it's up to you entirely. And so it's very clean. And again, it's already attached to my individual Robinhood account. And if I want to do stocks, options, or just create a whole new category or a whole new layout, maybe I'm doing futures trading, I can do that as well. And all of my positions are also all here alongside a bunch of my watch lists. So it's very compatible with computer. I recommend doing this on computer or laptop, but that is how you get it. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like.